Welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to do fried chicken wings. This version is a bit different from my previous version, although I don't think I have fried chicken wing except for the lemon chicken wings. So in this container I have about, I would say, 20 chicken wings already washed with vinegar and water, drain and pat dry. And now I am seasoning the chicken wings with salt, Maggi chicken season, Maggi all-purpose, Badia complete seasoning, and Lorry seasoned salt. And of course I did added a small amount of salt as well. Also to the chicken I am adding few teaspoons of freshly blended herbs, 1 stalk scallion, half of 1 onion, 1 clove garlic, few slices of pepper. In this container is 1½ cups of all-purpose flour. Season the flour with 1 teaspoon of each spice. That is paprika, ginger, all-purpose, chicken seasoning, ½ teaspoon of curry powder. Beat 2 eggs into a container. Add 2 tablespoons milk and beat well. This is 2 cups unseasoned breadcrumbs. Pour enough oil into the pot fryer and heat the oil at 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Dip each chicken wing into the flour, shake off excess. Then into the egg and milk mixture and shake off excess as well. and then into the breadcrumbs, and make sure to drench each chicken wing. You shake off the excess and then you put it into the hot oil. So this is the first batch, and then fry for about 4 minutes. After 4 minutes, remove chicken wings from hot oil. You can place them on a piece of paper towel to drain the excess oil. However, I chose to place them on a wire rack. After all the chicken wings have been fried, preheat our oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit and place the chicken wings into the preheated oven and bake for about 15 minutes. This will get rid of the excess oil. I'm telling you, man, this is my new goal, to get rid of the oil whenever I fry chicken. And then, it gives it a sort of extra crispiness as well. So try this method, it really works. So this is it, fried chicken wings with a difference. The difference is that I place it into the oven after it has been fried to get rid of the excess oil, so that when you're eating it, it is not oily, and it, enhances the crispiness as well. So thanks for watching. Subscribe and click the notification bell.